Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Bonita, your digital marketing consultant, and today we're checking out a brand new AI tool that could completely change the way you handle social media marketing. It's called AI Social Agent, and it's designed to fully automate your social media campaigns without you lifting a finger. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only creates posts, captions, images, and even videos for you, but also schedules them, tracks performance, and finds trending content to boost engagement. Whether you are a content creator, entrepreneur, or running a social media agency, this tool is built to save you time, increase traffic, and grow your brand on autopilot. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, break down its features, and let you know if AI Social Agent is worth it. Let's dive in. Once you log in, you'll land on this main dashboard. Initially, this area will be empty. That's because AI Social Agent is designed with a strong agency focus, allowing you to leverage AI-powered automation to build and scale your businesses. This tool is an upgraded version of their previous social media automation software, now powered by AI agents that fully automate content creation and distribution. On the right-hand side, we have client messages, useful for agency and team members managing multiple brands. Additionally, you will find AI-powered tools for launching and growing your agency, including a client finder, mentorship, and more. Now let's dive into how AI social agents function. By selecting a brand, we'll enter the section and explore the AI-powered automation tools. Here we're in the AI Social Agent Hub. To start using an AI social agent, simply click the corresponding button. This launches the AI-powered automation system. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to get started. On the right-hand side, you will also see the Content Lab. Everything here is AI-assisted, whether it's creating social media posts, images, blog articles, converting text to audio, or even generating AI-powered videos. We also have a trend lookup tool, a content planner, and pre-built auto-inform recipes. Additionally, you can invite team members, connect blogs, and integrate social media accounts. Now let's create an AI agent. We start by naming the campaign. You can choose between two types of agents: social media agents and blog post agents. This flexibility allows for both automated social media posting and AI-generated blog content. Next, you assign a name to your AI agent and connect your social media accounts. You can either add new accounts or select ones that have been previously connected. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Now we enter the AI agent customization phase. You can further personalize your AI assistant. You can choose from pre-designed AI avatars or upload a custom avatar for a more personalized experience. Once that's done, we proceed to the next step. Now, you answer key questions to help the AI understand their campaign goals. Let's say we're setting up a campaign for a restaurant business. We confirm this and move forward. Next, we define the target audience. For this example, I'll choose professionals aged 20 to 45, specifically corporate employees. Soon the AI will automatically suggest campaign strategies based on the business type and audience. Now we specify the primary goal of the campaign. Options include lead generation, engagement, sales, or brand awareness. Next, we define the campaign tone: professional, casual, or something in between. We also outline the main topics the campaign should focus on. In the near future, AI-suggested topics will be included for even more automation. Once all details are set, we move on. Now we determine the posting frequency. You can choose between daily, hourly, or weekly post, with the option to start immediately or schedule for later. Here you can also define how many posts should be pre-created and queued for review. For example, if one post per day is scheduled, AI will queue 3 days worth of content in advance. Next, you decide whether the AI should post automatically or require manual approval. If manual review is selected, posts will be queued until 5:14 approved with a single click. Now the AI gets to work. You can monitor campaign progress and see the AI-generated content in real time. Returning to the dashboard, you can view all AI agents running different campaigns. Each campaign has its own statistics, and goals, allowing for easy tracking. Here we can see the first AI-generated post. Since we chose manual review, the post is pending approval. The system also displays account connections and post statuses, whether published, scheduled, or pending approval. If needed, you can edit post before publishing. The built-in post editor allows for content customization, including editing images and captions. You can publish content instantly or schedule for later for further customization. Posts can be tailored for different social media platforms. This ensures that content is optimized for each channel. AI Social Agent also includes a content lab for more advanced editing. You can create social posts, blog articles, and more. The AI-powered content assistant helps generate blog posts and other content formats. There's also a trend lookup feature to find popular topics, quotes, and videos. You can leverage trending content for increased engagement beyond text and images. AI Social Agent also generates audio and podcast content. The built-in AI video generator can create full-length videos from scripts. They're also introducing an AI avatar creator for even more personalized automation. The trend lookup section lets you discover and repurpose viral content. A built-in planner allows you to schedule and manage their content strategy. AI automation recipes enable hands-free content curation from external sources. The platform also supports RSS feed integration for blog automation. You can even bulk upload content via CSV for large-scale scheduling. Additionally, AI Social Agent includes tools for agency growth. You can create an agency website, find clients, and access mentorship with built-in sales training. You can learn how to monetize social media automation. So that's a complete look at AI Social. So, now that you've seen exactly how AI Social Agent works and what it can do, let's take a moment to talk about what this really means for you. Whether you're a content creator trying to stay consistent with your posts, an entrepreneur wearing way too many hats, or a social media manager juggling multiple clients across multiple platforms, this tool isn't just a cool upgrade. It can be a total game changer. Imagine no longer needing to spend hours each week brainstorming content ideas, designing posts, writing captions, scheduling them all out manually, and then tracking analytics one by one. AI Social Agent automates every single step of that process. It literally acts like your own personal digital marketing assistant, working 24/7 in the background, creating posts, captions, short-form videos, finding trending content, analyzing your performance, and making sure your brand stays visible even when you're offline or focused on other areas of your business. What that means is more freedom, more time to focus on strategy instead of just content creation, more room to grow your brand, scale your business, or even just take a real break without feeling guilty that your social presence is falling behind. This is automation that doesn't just save time, it buys back your peace of mind. But here is what makes AI Social Agent different. It doesn't just automate your posts, it optimizes them. This tool doesn't just schedule content, it helps you create the kind of content that actually performs. It auto-generates viral style ideas, finds the most relevant and effective hashtags for your niche, suggests the best times to post based on platform data, and helps you fine-tune your message to drive real engagement. So instead of guessing what works, you're backed by data and AI-powered decisions that push your reach even further. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a seasoned marketer to get all of this up and running. It's built to be simple, intuitive, and incredibly beginner-friendly. No steep learning curve, no complicated setup, and it works for literally any niche, business, or content goal. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I need this in my life, then here's some even better news. If you grab AI Social Agent through the special link in my bio or description, you won't just get access to this powerful tool, you will also unlock an exclusive bonus from me, my social media content calendar and strategy template. This is the exact framework I use to help clients plan an entire month of high-performing content in under an hour. It's structured, proven, and built to convert. You'll be able to plug it right into your workflow and start seeing more consistency, clarity, and results fast. So don't wait on this. Click the link, secure your access to AI Social Agent, and get your free bonus as a thank you for taking action today. Whether you're looking to grow your personal brand, streamline your client work, or build a content system that runs while you sleep, this is the tool that can make that happen. And hey, if you found value in this video, make sure to give it a like, share it with a fellow creator or business owner who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your digital presence with ease. I'm Bonita, your digital marketing consultant, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's build smarter, not harder.